Be contacting the lawyer and looking for a way to get out of this marriage ASAP. Otherwise, you'll have his mother take while you're breaking your back to support her. Screw that. Response: I'm really considering it, but I feel that they will say I left because she needs support. Update: Remember my mother-in-law who gave her pension to a soothsayer and quit her job? Yeah, it gets worse. I'm embarrassed and I honestly didn't want to update, but so many people reached out that I have to. If you heard my previous post about my mother-in-law who handed over her pension to a soothsayer claiming to cleanse her of bad energies,